I don't need your sperms. You know what? Even dog sperms can give birth to a human child. Do you know that?
Okay.
Biology.
If you think or thought that the previous video had to do anything with feminism, I urge you to watch the whole video. I want to take you back to the early 19th century to the city called as Travancore, located in Kerala. At that point in time, the tax and the legal system that were present were quite different from what we have today. However, the most ridiculous tax that was present at that time was called as Moolakaram, or the breast tax. According to this tax, women of a certain community had to pay tax in order to cover the upper part of their body, even more precisely speaking, their breast. However, if they did not choose to pay the Moolakaram, they were supposed to uncover the upper part of their body. Even more ridiculous thing about this Moolakaram was that the amount of tax that the woman had to pay depended on the size and shape of the woman's breast. Nangeli, a woman at that time, got an epiphany that the concept of Moolakaram was a discrimination against women, and she thought of opposing the concept of Moolakaram. So she chose to do this one day. She covered the upper part of her body and then she went to draw some water from the well. A group of people saw her. They told her that what she is doing is illegal. However, Nangeli blatantly ignored them and she came back home. However, the same gentleman who had told that what Nangeli was doing was illegal had come with a set of police officers and some government officials. So the government officials measured Nangeli's breast and they told her the amount of tax that she had to pay. Nangeli went into the house and instead of bringing the money, she had something different. She had a plantain leaf on which she had placed both her breasts. All the men were shocked. They didn't know how to respond. And Nangeli told them that it was only because I had these breasts that you were able to collect Moolakaram from me. However, I don't have the breast anymore, so I'm not obligated to pay the Moolakaram. All the men were terrified, they were scared, there was a lot of mixed emotions, and then they left the place. Nangeli later on that day died because of excessive blood loss. However, the news of death of Nangeli spread like forest fire, and every other person in Travancore got to know about Nangeli and the incident that happened with her. Eventually, it so happened that even the king of Travancore got to know about Nangeli, and he was forced to nullify the concept of breast tax. Let's take a moment to introspect the emotions and thoughts that Nangeli would have had to go through before her ultimate sacrifice. She knew that she was going to cut her own breast, which would cause her unbearable pain, and eventually she also knew that she would die. Despite all these, she chose to do the ultimate sacrifice, and I see that there are two reasons behind it. One was for the betterment of the society, and the second reason was because she wanted to be a symbol of empowerment of all the women in the city of Travancore. She fought against the discrimination of women. She fought for the dignity of women. She fought for the equality of men and women. And if that is not feminism, I don't know what is. However, in the recent past, the definition of feminism has changed a little bit. Instead of women being equal to that of men, women want to become more equal than men, if you know what I mean. For example,
एक नहीं 5 लड़कों के साथ गई थी. सुन मेरी बात. It's her choice.
और
My choice to have sex outside of marriage.
और
we have always been deprived in the past. We cannot go back in the past and change it. So proper discrimination, correct discrimination has to be made right now. And even if we surpass men in our direction, we have the right to do that.
What would it be like if in all the previous clips the gender was reversed? I am a feminist and I do believe that women are equally capable as that of men. However, if you're going to feed me as feminism, then I think you don't understand feminism. Thank you so much for watching. Looking forward to meet you all in another video.